working together. I think the first thing we need to do.
Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni ageretie kurehe mogaruruku thiini wa sekta ya githomo. Mamwe ma makinya maria kinyukitie ni kurwa na uici wa igeranio na njira ya kureka arutwo maikare thukuru riria mareka igeranio mategucererwo. Rutikoretwo ruri rugendo runyoroku tondu anyiti itemi amwe ni mareganite na uhoro uyu. Kiama gia gutetera arutani ni kio NAT kwa muhiano kiugite gitiahoirwo moni makio iguru ria ndeto ino uguo matiramenyita mbaru. Uhoro wa uici wa igeranio migomo eri egomeire thukuru gatagati ka maundu mangi matiganite nimo mekwaririo gicua-ini.
So we would want to interrogate the reforms that the committee has come up with so that the head teachers themselves can also make their input so that the final product is one that is acceptable to majority of Kenyans.
Ikaro ta giki gitabanagio o mwaka niguo makinya maria matacukitio ruhongeni rwa githomo mamenyeke na mogarũrũku maria magitabanio matabanio.
We are still requesting any other Kenyan who has any idea to help us put together so that we stop cheating. The bottom line here is we would like that the government stop cheating of the national exams.
Giki ni kiuga ikaro kia 41 gutabanio bururi-ini ni arugamiriri a thukuru cia secondary guku Kenya.